Okay guys, today I'm gonna change the spark plugs on my Honda Pilot. Okay, so I haven't changed it for a while, so I'm gonna change it right now. And as you can see, this is okay. So some of the tools that you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. Okay, you need a number 6 hex or a L wrench. Okay, and then a regular 5/8 spark plug socket. Okay, and then your regular wrench and extension if you need it. Okay, so you also need a size 10 socket here for these bolts here. You got 4. Okay, so you got to take those out, and then here you need one for here too. So take this out and then use the flat to align this. Okay, lock it is that way. To align it like that means to unlock it. Okay, so that's the easy part. Okay, so after you take these 4 nuts here off, you can pretty much take this off. I did this like a couple minutes ago, so just kind of sit that down. Okay, and then for these right here, once you line them up, you can pretty much take that one out too. There's nobody videotaping me, so I'm doing all this by myself. So as you can see, I already did remove the the wires. Okay, so this wire, what you need to do is squeeze right here. Okay, squeeze right there and use the use this flathead and just kind of like that, and it should come off really easy. Okay, once you do that, take it out. Okay, and for this right here, you need a size 6 L wrench. Okay, and there. Okay, so you just keep turning, and once it's done, you just use your hand to your fingers to get that out, because you don't want it to fall into the engine. Okay, there you go. And then just put that away, and then you wiggle like that, and this one should come out pretty easy. Okay, like that, and there you go. Okay, okay, aside from these 3 in the front, you also have 3 in the back here too. Okay, so just take out the same way you took them out, from the front, and then you should be done. Okay, so what you need to do is use the 5/8 socket with the rubber inside. Okay, that one goes on top of the spark plug. Okay, if you don't have this spark plug socket, you're not gonna be able to take it out. Okay, without that rubber thing there. Okay, that's what grabs your spark plug, you know, when you put it in without falling, or when you take it out without falling back in there. Okay, so I'm just changing one so that you know what I'm doing, but the process is pretty easy. You know, if you haven't done it before, yeah, just use this and then plug it in here and just use your wrench and take it out, and then fit the new one and put it back in there, and then plug back in your wires, and everything should be working okay. So thank you for coming by, and please subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna take out one. Okay, so what you do is I use this. Okay, you can use an extension and then wrench and a 5/8 spark plug socket with the rubber thing in there. Okay, so sometimes you need to take out the extension so it won't be too long, you know, because it's gonna hit the fan. Once you take out the extension, voila, right there. See that? He grabs it. The plastic in there grabs the spark plug like this. Okay, there you go. And what I like to use is the NGK brand. Okay, these are pre-gapped, so you don't have to gap them. Okay, and you can get these at your regular AutoZone or O'Reilly's or anything like that. Okay, and then just fit them back in like that. Okay, so you can fit it back in like that, and then put it in. I like to use my hand to slowly you know, screw or thread it back in, because I don't want to use the wrench, and you know, sometimes it goes in crooked, so it messes up the thread, and then when you take it out the next time, it'll be hard for you to do it, or you mess up the thread, and sometimes the spark plugs don't come out. So I like to just slowly thread it with my fingers until it's all the way in, and then I can use the wrench to just tighten it up. Once you feel like it's tight, then you can just use the wrench and then tighten it up. Not too tight, okay? You don't want to go full force at it. And there you go. And you do the same to all six, and then just put back everything the way you take it out. You know, the put the plug back on, put the hex screw back on, and then all your coverings, and then you should be done. Thank you for coming by, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so we already did the 3 spark plugs in the back, so we just finished putting in the 3 in the front, so now we're just putting these in.
Okay.
I'm letting my 16-year-old son doing it because there's nobody there's nobody to video. Okay, and then
Okay.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. Put the 3 screws back on. Right there.
Yeah.
Use 2 hands so you don't drop the screws.
Yeah.
Okay, once you put those screw there back on, since we got one last one.
Yeah.
Okay, use the L wrench, yeah, the hex wrench, yeah, and tighten up. Just tighten it 1 notch. Good. To the next one. Okay, good. Okay, good. All right, and then put all the spark plug wire back on. Just snap it back on.
Like that.
Wait. Let's see. This side, yeah.
Like,
yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Snap it back in. Don't touch the wire. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Make sure you snap. There you go.
Okay.
And then the last one.
Okay. Snap.
Okay. All right. And then let's see. Oh yeah. And then after this, all you need to do is put the covers back on, and you're done. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for coming by to watch me do this spark plug change on my Honda Pilot. And until next time, have a good day.